whichever part of the planet our young people are there. To achieve the distinct profile of the nation, we have to have a mission for transforming the nation into a developed nation. For India, we have identified 5 areas where we have core competence for integrated action. The first one is agriculture, the agro-food processing. Agro-food processing, we are giving the highest priority in the 11th plan because of the value addition. The second one, education and healthcare, particularly women education, the highest priority. And recently, government has passed a bill where they up to the age 50 the free and compulsory education. The information communication technology, because we have to connect nearly 600,000 villages where 700 million people live in. Then infrastructure, that is one of the big link. Infrastructure, reliable and quality electric power, surface transport for all parts of the country. Then self-reliant critical technology. These 5 areas are closely interrelated, and if progressed in a coordinated way will lead to food, economic and national security. The development in science and technology is vital for time-bound realization of the 10 pillars that I have just now mentioned to you, friends. But dear friends, let me share with you one event. Now, DDDR movement is spreading through providing urban and rural area. Many private agencies are doing, and then many student community in part of in our country, they are also participating in such type of mission. Let me share with you one event which I have came across during my recent visit to Chennai. When I landed at Chennai airport, a team of people waiting for me to see, I met them at the airport lounge. There I met one unique person by name called M.A. Balasubramaniam. Mr. Balasubramaniam, now 59 years old, started thinking of why not Kodambakkam 2020, inspired by the Development Year Vision 2020. He has been running a small tea shop. See how a tea shop man, he can play an individualistic and a beautiful role I could narrate. He has been running a small tea shop, tea stall, with the name Bharani Snacks. Bharani was a great national poet, as you know, who inspired many people for freedom struggle. Bharani's poems were banned by the then British rule, and he had to live in Pondicherry, which was then under French rule. Right from childhood, Balasubramaniam used to take part actively in social service and also promote the awareness about national leaders. Kodambakkam, as you know, is the Hollywood of Chennai, where many of the Indian movies are made. On the other side, this area is locality of poor and lower middle class people. This tea stall situation in the locality is catering to the lower middle class and poor people. Many young people visiting his tea stall used to ask him about the national leaders. Some of them got inspired. In the year 2000, around 10 of them decided to start a movement to make Kodambakkam as the ideal place for living by 2020. And Mr. Balasubramaniam named this initiative as Kodambakkam 2020, in line with India 2020. To achieve this vision, he had formed an informal group called Nallur Vattam, meaning Forum for Good People. Forum for Good People. Over the period of 9 years, this initiative has grown effectively with more than 1,000 members, and they have divided their activities into 26 categories like blood donation, environment improvement, poor feeding, education, awareness for eye donation, yoga class. This organization, Nallur Vattam, does not have any president, treasurer, secretary. It's a flat organization with Mr. Balasubramaniam and another young professional Venkatesh as conveners. They have one in charge, they have one in charge person for all the 26 activities. They have not been collecting any money from anybody for the past 9 years. All the activities are supported with the help of partners who take care of the expenses directly. The in-charge person of the activities meet every Sunday at 4 p.m. sharp for the past 9 years regularly and discuss their activity. Some of the interesting initiatives done by this team, even single individual, Rapid Action Service on the birthdays of Madhavi Bhatia and many people, 150 members assembled to a particular colony or area at 7 a.m. start a service like cleaning the street, creating awareness on various issues like healthcare, environment, to the people planting trees, etc. They do the service till the evening. Of course, we are all informed the residents of Adwan with the Rapid Action Service. 50% of their residents join us in that. This is the individual movement, how nobody is controlling them, no leader is guiding them, but it's an independent class. Such mission is a very important mission. So I like to congratulate the team, and they are doing a fantastic work. Such things should increase in our country and various parts of the world. In such individuals will make many difference in our. Dear friends, now I am going to talk to you the creative leadership. I have seen 3 dreams which have taken shape as a vision, mission and realization. Space program of Indian Space Research Organization and Agri program of DRDO and Pura program providing urban amenities rural area, begin with a national vision. With my own experience I have seen. Of course, these 3 programs succeeded in the midst of many challenges and problems. I have worked in all these 3 areas. I will convey to you what I have learned of leadership from these 3 programs. When you all come out of the university,